Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on the Royal Match application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. Now, if you want to edit your profile, click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen, and here you can find the profile picture and your name. If you want to edit your name, click to the next pencil icon and just type your new name. But if you want to set your profile, you can select different avatar, frame, and you can edit also your name, and just select one and click to the save button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.